So we're talking about supplements that might be beneficial for diabetes folks, pre-diabetes folks. And we talked about berberine before, but I want to talk to you about another one that we also did have some good data on this, and that's turmeric. So turmeric is a spice that's commonly used in Middle Eastern or Eastern Indian cuisine. And it has an active component called curcumin. And curcumin has been studied certainly in the pre-diabetes population, but is known for its kind of anti-inflammatory benefits. And as we've talked about before, all chronic disease is rooted in the inflammatory process. So various options we have for kind of arresting that process benefits us greatly down the road, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road. So instead of saying, oh, I want you to go get this turmeric or curcumin supplement, I'm not that interested in it. What I am interested in is motivating folks to participate in a more active way in their dietary intake. So using the spice, cooking with the spice is beneficial in that you really only need about a half a teaspoon to see the benefits that we're interested in from this. So one of the ways that I get some curcumin in my life is I'll tap a half teaspoon of it into a protein shake before I blend it up. And I also have discovered some recipes on the internet that we've integrated into our weekly rotation so that we're getting a couple of extra boosts of turmeric at any given time. And it's not just diabetes that it can help. It can be joint pain, muscle pain, all that kind of stuff too. So important things to think about. As always, I encourage people to engage in whole foods and play an active role in selecting and preparing and enjoying their food rather than forking over big cash to take an extra pill every day.